Hello and welcome to our PK-Sim online tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to create an individual in PK-Sim. In detail, you will see how to define body dimensions of your individual and how to change the anatomy and physiology. You will also learn how to add metabolizing enzymes or transporters. Before creating individuals, we will set up expression profiles for relevant enzymes, transporters, and protein-binding partners. Go to Expression Profiles in the Building Block Explorer. Right-click on Expression Profiles and hover over Add Expression Profile. Choose Add Metabolizing Enzyme. A new window opens where you can type the name of your enzyme. PK-Sim will suggest matching enzymes in a drop-down menu. Choose the correct enzyme and click OK. A tab for the expression profile of this enzyme is now created. To select the expression profile, go to Database Query in the top right corner of the tab. A window called Edit Protein Expression will open. The first tab is called Protein Selection. Here you can see that the name of your enzyme is already entered. In this example, it is CYP3A4. Go to Search. Database entries matching your search are shown. Double-click on the enzyme you would like to add. The Expression Data Analysis tab shows expression profiles for your chosen protein, each determined using different methods. Click Next. In this tab, use the radio buttons at the top to select the expression profile you would like to use. For this example, select RT-PCR and click OK. Now you can edit the enzyme entry and change predefined values if necessary. In the Properties section, you can edit the reference concentration. This is the concentration of your protein in the organ with the highest expression level. Additionally, you can edit the protein half-life in the liver and the intestine. For many CYP and UGT enzymes, ontogeny information is available in the PK-Sim ontogeny database. If no ontogeny is predefined for your enzyme, select Undefined. In the Localization section, you can specify where your enzyme is located within the cells and in the vascular endothelium. In the lower section, you can see the relative enzyme expression across different organs compared to the organ with the highest expression. You can change the relative expression by entering new values. Now we will move on to creating an individual. To create an individual, right-click on Individuals in the Building Block Explorer and choose Add Individual. Enter a name for your individual. In the Biometrics tab, you can define the body dimensions. By default, a European male is predefined with mean values for age, weight, and height based on the ICRP database available within PK-Sim. In the Population Properties section, you can choose another species, population, or gender. In the Individual Parameters section, you can define age, weight, and height based on your data. If you do not know the full characteristics of your study individual, you can use the database average values for any missing information. Clicking Mean will reset all values to the predefined mean individual. After defining the demographics, click Next. The second tab is called Anatomy and Physiology. Here you can see database values for the individual's anatomy and physiology. Make sure the parameter layout is set to Advanced, using the drop-down in the bottom left corner of the window. Here you can adjust organ-specific settings. For example, you can define individual GFR values or settings for enterohepatic circulation, depending on your research question. You can search and filter for specific values using the filter bar in the top left corner. To move on, click Next. The third tab is called Expression, where you can add metabolizing enzymes, transport proteins, and protein-binding partners. Right-click on Metabolizing Enzymes and click Add Metabolizing Enzyme. In the window that opens, you can select from the metabolizing enzymes available in the Expression Profiles building block. For this example, choose CYP3A4 and click OK. The expression profile now appears in this individual. When you are finished editing your individual, click OK. The individual now appears on the left-hand side. If you right-click on this individual, you have several options, such as renaming, cloning, or deleting the individual. The scale function also creates a copy of your individual, but unlike cloning, it allows you to edit the biometrics. Click Scale, and a window called Scale Individual will open. You need to give your new individual a different name from the base individual. The first step is again assigning biometrics. Adjust these properties and click Next. The second tab is called Scaling Configuration. Any previously edited parameters, such as a specific GFR, are listed here. You can choose to revert to the original database value by selecting Use Default Value, or keep the edited value by selecting Use Source Value. Click Next to continue. In the following two tabs, you can edit the anatomy and physiology and the expression parameters as previously described. Thanks for watching.